In this brief video, I'm going to attempt to answer a question which we get very frequently here at Present Podiatry, and that is, what is the difference between site credits used on the website and CME credits? So the easy part of that is CME credits are obviously the credits that you earn to renew your licenses in your state. Every state has got a different requirement for CME. If you're ever interested in what your state requirement is, or want to learn more about that, you can go to the Podiatry CME States requirement here in the More menu, and you put in your state. Let's say it's New Jersey, New York, let's say Rhode Island, and you can see that Rhode Island requires 15 credits a year. So that's CME credits. You can earn your CME credits in the lecture hall at Present Podiatry. And we have two ways of purchasing site credits. One is an unlimited annual subscription called Present Complete CME Online. You purchase this once a year. It could be renewed, and you have access to all the lectures on the website at any one time. There are over 300 lectures. But let's talk about site credits. So scroll down here and you can see site credits are the currency that is used to purchase access to individual lectures on the website. So at any one time, if you're logged into the site and you pull down this menu, you can see how many site credits you have to spend. And one site credit equals $1 in effect. So I have no site credits, as you can see here. So I'm gonna purchase some site credits. I click here or I click here, and this is the purchase site credits page. Site credits are purchased in increments of $99 up to $499. When you purchase $99 worth of site credits, you're given a bonus of 11. So you get 110 site credits. It's just a little bonus that you get. And for 110 site credits, you can purchase 5.5 CME credits of lectures. You complete the lecture, you complete the post-test, you do a survey at the end, and you earn your CME. So I'm going to click this and then go up to the shopping cart here, and you can see we're in our shopping cart with the $99 site credit package selected. You get 110 site credits for that, of course, $99. So I'm going to check out. So this is a cash purchase that you make where you're buying these site credits. I'll complete the checkout. This is just a fake number I'm putting in here, which lets me demonstrate. So you're buying 110 site credits for $99. I'm going to confirm the purchase. And thank you, your purchase is now complete. So we confirm that by going up here again, and you can see now that we have 110 site credits in our account. So now let's go spend some site credits by choosing lectures. So I'm going to go to the lecture hall, and I'm going to go to the CME section of the lecture hall, or you can go to some of the other sections that also have CME lectures if they suit your particular interest. And scroll down, and any of the lectures that I've already purchased are marked like this, and it tells me that I have access to that lecture for 1 year after I purchase it. Once you complete the lecture for credit, you'll see a little CME certificate here like this, and any time you want, you can go back to see your CME certificate. It looks like this, okay? and you can email that to yourself. It's automatically emailed to you when you earn it. You can download it. So let's go back to the lectures, and let's pick some lectures that we don't have already. So here's one. Case in point from the High Risk Foot Clinic, and it's 10 credits. If we want to purchase this or apply our site credits for it, we click Add to Cart, and notice that this little shopping cart popped up here, and you can see the number 1 showing that there's 1 lecture in the cart. I'm going to buy a second lecture here, and I'm going to buy a third one. So those 3 lectures are now in my shopping cart. I'm going to go to the shopping cart now, but we're not going to spend money for this. We're going to spend site credit for this. So you can see that there are 3 lectures here, 10, 5, and 10 for a total of 25 credits. We have 110, so it's going to spend those 25 credits, and we'll have 85 left. So if you have site credits in your account, it automatically applies the site credits to purchase the lectures. Notice there's no dollar amount here because you own the site credits. I'm going to check out. If it doesn't have your address in here, it will ask you for it, or it'll have you confirm that. I'm going to confirm the purchase, and thank you, your purchase is now complete, and you've been emailed a receipt. So to watch these lectures, you can click on them here, and when you click on them, you'll see that you have complete access to these now. They're ready to watch. You can also at any one time go to the My Lectures tab, and in My Lectures, when it automatically checks this off for you, it shows you all the lectures that you have access to now because you've purchased them for site credit. It also shows you the ones that you've completed. And that's basically it. That is the difference between site credits and CME credits and how you purchase individual lectures on the Present Podiatry website lecture hall.